decided to come back, show my mama and see if I can get some better drone shots this time, because last time I couldn't get no good shots. So hopefully this time around I can get better pictures and better drone shots specifically. No, Dingmans Falls. That shit is doing it all by itself. I'm not doing anything. Doing it all by itself. Got it. Okay. Got the one picture that I was wanting to get.
In the edge of the thing?
Yeah.
No, you didn't, Anthony, by yourself?
Yeah.
Why you didn't tell me? I would have taken the picture from you.
Because I needed to be there to go like this with the drone, with the...
This is why you're so there.
I would recommend anyone come up here if you're stressed out, having issues, anxiety, whatever it might be. But if you want to clear your head, this is the place to do it. Dingmans Falls, where are we at? I don't even know. But yeah, I'll let you know where we are in the description.
Right.